Today, I am issuing a stay-at-home order for Erie County to do what is necessary to save lives in our county and to stay ahead of the spread of COVID-19 here in Erie County. This order will go in effect at 12:01 tomorrow, March 25th, and will continue to stay in effect until April 6, 2020, matching the governor's orders for 7 other counties in Pennsylvania already. As I said, the governor is in support of what I am doing today. This is actually what I've been asking everyone to do for quite a few days now. And now, instead of asking, it will be an official order. Individuals may leave their residence to perform any of the following activities and allowable essential travel. Tasks that would be to maintain your health and safety, or the health and safety of your family or other household members, including your pets. Getting necessary services or supplies for yourself or your family, for your household, or as part of the volunteer efforts, or to deliver these services and supplies to others in our community to help maintain their safety, their sanitation, and essential operations of their residents. You can still engage in outdoor activities. You can go walking, hiking, jogging, riding your bike. But when you're out, we ask that you maintain social distance, 6 feet or more away from anyone that you would encounter while you're outside. You are able to go perform work, providing essential services and products of our life-sustaining businesses. You can care for another family member or a pet in another household. And you can have travel related to the provisions of or access to the above-mentioned activities or life-sustaining business activities. We ask, though, when it comes to travel, that you all truly think about this. Out of the 5 cases in Erie County, 3 of them have come because someone has left Erie County and traveled to another area where there is community spread of COVID-19. Our other 2 cases have had direct contact with one of those 3 individuals. So as you can see, we believe if people would stay in Erie County and not travel outside of Erie County, and if people who come into our county, such as a returning child coming home or some other friend or relative coming in, that they quarantine themselves for 14 days away from you and away from everyone in Erie County. This is how we're going to stop the spread and stop the occurrence of community spread within Erie County. And that is what we're trying to do, is stay ahead of the curve. I have to tell you, my fellow county executives and county commissioner that I talked to today who have this COVID-19 raging through their communities say, do it now. They told me, do it now. You have an opportunity to stay ahead of this. And that's what this is all about. We need to stay ahead of this. We need to mitigate the spread in our community, keep it from being a community spread, and this order will help us do that.